Hello and welcome to the What's New in the S2M Center version 10 video series. In this video, we're going to be going over the new features that have been added to the machine catalog. The default function in machine sets is to consume a part's operations. This means that it will take the operation, and if completed, will not pass it along to be output to another machine. With S2M Center version 10, we can change this functionality to allow operations to be passed to other machinery, even if they have been outputted to a machine in the machine set already. We just need to make sure that a machine set is selected, then select a machine in the machine set, and place a check mark in the Operations Pass-Through option. By selecting another machine in the set, we can see that I can specify this option independently for each machine. Starting with the S2M Center version 10, whenever we output the graphic path for a real-time label output, we now have the option to determine whether or not the path will be just the name of the real-time label image that is created or the actual full path to the file. To see this, we can go to the Setup tab, we can filter by the Label It properties, and find the full image path. When set to no, only the name of the image is created in our output. If we set this to yes, now the actual path to the image is generated in our output. Starting with S2M Center version 10, we now have the ability to output real-time labels for any offcuts that are created for our saws and routers. To see this, I can make sure that a router or saw is selected, click on the Setup tab, click on the Label It filter, and look in the image group, and you can see that we have the ability to specify that either we do not want images for offcuts created or we do want images for offcuts created. Starting in S2M Center version 10, we have the ability to specify additional output options on advanced drill and dowel machines. You can see that I have the Ganomat Index Pro selected, mainly because all of the options are visible to us. I can go to the Setup tab, and you'll see a new group called Output Options available. When I select that, it allows me to specify a series of options for this drill and dowel machine. To understand what these all do, please visit your help files for the S2M Center. Starting with the S2M Center version 10, when you are attempting to output to a saw using the NC-Link cut file, you can go to the Setup tab and specify restrictions such as maximum sheet width and maximum sheet length, as well as the trim for each sheet that you are outputting. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the new features of the S2M Center. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at our website at www.screentomachine.com.